Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're tackling a really interesting mission, actually. We're looking at the higher certificate in software development practice.
Right, NQF level 5.
Exactly. And the big question for you, listening, is probably this. Can a one-year qualification, can it really be a fast track into a proper tech career?
Well, that's what we need to unpack. The crucial thing to grasp about this program is how it's deliberately structured. It's built to skip the long theoretical ramp up.
And get straight to the practical skills.
Exactly. It gives you the foundational knowledge, sure, but more importantly, the techniques to actually do software development tasks. It's about building confidence, whether you're aiming for a job right away or, further study.
And just for context, this is an NQF Level 5 accredited by the Council on Higher Education, so it's legit.
Oh, absolutely. It's 120 credits, which they've packed into a minimum of 1 year, 2 semesters.
Which is incredibly fast.
Yeah.
That brings me to my main concern, really. If it's that condensed, what are they stuffing into those 2 semesters?
Yeah, that's a fair question.
I mean, the documents list coding, object-oriented programming, databases, version control. It feels like a lot. How do you avoid it all being superficial?
That's the key difference here. The focus isn't just theory, it's application. The goal is that graduates can actually, design, develop, test, and maintain software.
Okay.
So that means mastering fundamentals like implementing data structures, basic algorithms, and running proper software tests to find and fix bugs.
So there's a practical component that proves you can do it.
Yes, the capstone, the basic software development project, is essentially that. It's a dry run for a real industry job. It proves you can actually do the work.
That project is vital. But you know where this often falls apart in tech education? The soft skills. We've all met brilliant coders who just can't communicate.
The faulty modem problem.
Exactly. Does this thing actually address the reality of working in a team?
It does. They specifically build in technical writing and project collaboration. The outcome isn't just that you can write code, but that you can function, effectively inside a development team.
Okay, good. So let's talk career paths. I finished this certificate. What jobs can I realistically apply for? The list seems kind of broad. Junior software engineer, SQL developer, even a junior business analyst.
Well, what's so interesting is that it doesn't force you to specialize too early. It gives you this foundational toolkit that lets you move laterally into any of those entry-level roles.
So it opens doors rather than just one door?
Precisely. And it's not a dead end. The qualification has really robust articulation pathways.
Hold on. Articulation pathways. What does that actually mean for someone?
It basically means it guarantees a seamless route into higher education. So you can progress to an NQF level 6 or 7, like an advanced diploma or a bachelor's degree.
So it's a stepping stone.
A dedicated stepping stone, and not just into general IT degrees, but into really cutting-edge fields. Think data science, AI, IoT, machine learning.
Wow. Okay, so it's not just for today's jobs. It's a launch pad for the future of tech.
Exactly. Now, the learning model itself is it's a big part of the appeal.
Right. And for you, the learner, this is where it gets really powerful. The tuition is all online. You control the time, the place, the pace, full-time, part-time. It's up to you.
And it's not just a content dump. There's real institutional support. They have monitoring systems to catch you before you fall behind.
Instead of just letting you fail an exam.
Yeah. Plus, there are 50 support centers, and you don't need a point system to get in. Just the right endorsement. It's about access.
And finally, let's talk about the money, the ROI. All the textbooks are included in the fees. That alone is a huge practical saving.
A massive saving. And on top of that, the institution offers a subsidy, a third off the fees for the higher certificate.
Yeah.
Plus, they have different payment plans.
So when you add it all up, it seems like a pretty clear proposition.
I think so. The bottom line is this certificate offers a fast, practical foundation in development. It's designed for immediate employment, but also for seamless progression into really advanced fields like AI.
Which raises one last big question for me. If a focused one-year practical course like this can give you the tools for an entry-level job and a direct path into fields like machine learning, well, how could that reshape the whole traditional multi-year path into a tech career? That's definitely something to think about.